The greatest benefit I've seen to Middle School Arts Week has been letting experimentation be the heartbeat of the week, the heartbeat of trying new things, the heartbeat of the arts and finding new ways to express yourself.
Hi, my name is Haley Weber. I'm teaching Introduction to Improv and Acting Scene into Song. For improv, I want to create an experience that offers an opportunity for students to be brave. And for Acting Scene into Song, I would like to foster a positive, unique, and fun theatrical experience for students.
What's up? My name is Angela Newman. I am teaching mural painting, and I'm hoping that the students will find ways to express themselves in an individual way and also encounter and overcome problem solving to make their artwork cohesive together.
Hey everyone, I'm Amanda Fisk, and I will be teaching Mixed Media Monsters this year. I'm hoping that students have an incredible experience letting go and letting the materials determine their fate as they make creative digital and traditional material combinations.
Hello, my name is Tim Duran. I'll be teaching percussion ensemble and drumming with friends this week. They say that music is the universal language, and I want my students to experience that language through percussion.
Hi, my name is Allison Doherty. I'm teaching 2 different workshops. In the first, we're going to explore printmaking, and I'm also teaching something called Dragon's Eye, and that is celebrating the Lunar New Year and the Year of the Dragon, creating an eye in clay, and we're using some pretty interesting reptilian glass eyes that will be embedded eventually in what the kids make in clay.
Hello, my name is Sarah Cami, and I'm going to be teaching photograms, and we're going to be working within the dark room and getting to let middle school students experience what it's like to do old school analog photography.
Good morning. My name is Oluwa Sheyi Awoyomi. Most people call me Sheyi. I'm teaching African dance, and it's African dance specifically from Nigeria and particular to the Yoruba culture. And a lot of the dance steps are curated based on daily tasks.
Hi, I'm Ling. This year I'm teaching music studio for Soundtrap again. I'm very excited for this experience. So music studio for Soundtrap is like students are gonna use the software, an online software Soundtrap, to create music on their own by using different loops and different fancy technologies.
Hi, my name is Miss Ari. I'm teaching Advanced Digital Coloring. This workshop is all about mindfulness and teaching students how to color like pros. They're also doing mindful doodling and mindful drawing, so they're learning about Zentangles, mandalas, and then learning how to color it like experts.
So art is important to me because you can express how you feel.
I enjoy drawing, I enjoy making patterns.
Art is important to me because it's very calming.
Well, I've always had a love for creativity, and it helps me express it in a billion different kinds of ways.
It just makes me release from the world, helps your mind become peaceful.
It makes me feel creative